Four stories are moving tech right now. A defense startup just raised more cash than most governments spend in a year. A chip maker doubled down on Europe. And Samsung put a price on your own health data. Here's what's ahead. Helsing's record-breaking defense raise. Intel's multi-billion euro chip bet in Ireland. Samsung's new AI consent ultimatum. And a humanoid robot clocking in for the repetitive jobs that burn people out. German defense startup Helsing just closed a $1.8 billion round, pushing its valuation to $18 billion, Europe's biggest ever raise for defense technology. JP Morgan and Lightspeed led the round, and investor demand blew past what Helsing was even offering. $18 billion is Helsing's new valuation, built on AI-powered drones and underwater surveillance systems that are already deployed on the battlefield in Ukraine. Intel is committing 5 billion euros, roughly 30% of its entire yearly capital budget, to a single factory in Lake Islip, Ireland. The money upgrades fabs and adds new equipment to build next-generation Xeon chips on Intel's advanced 3nm node, with most of the spending done by 2027. Samsung Health now requires users to consent to AI training on their health data, sleep, cycles, medications, full treatment records, or lose it entirely. Decline, and account sync shuts off. Then everything already stored in the cloud gets deleted for good. Samsung spells out the trade-off in its own consent notice, and critics say it barely qualifies as a real choice. Robot.com launched Humanoid, a rentable humanoid built for the repetitive jobs that wear people down: packing, picking, folding, and hosting. It runs physical intelligence's vision-language-action model and can be live on-site within 8 to 12 weeks. 19 separate tasks, deployable right at launch. That's what Robot.com is renting out today, live on-site in as little as 8 weeks. That's the rundown. Europe doubles down on defense AI with Helsing's record raise. Intel bets big on European chip capacity. Samsung makes AI training the price of syncing your own data. And humanoid robots start clocking in for the jobs that burn people out day after day.